On this week's video, I am exploring San Clemente and I am hanging out in Los Angeles with my best friend who visited from Pittsburgh. It was such a special time together as I got to show her where I work, where I hang out, and what I do day to day. Hello, happy Friday. It is about 7 o'clock. We are getting ready to go bowling. I'm wearing all denim. This is my thrifted little long sleeve / jacket button up with fringe sleeves. Do you want to come in? I'm still doing dry January. He is not doing dry January.
But it is a non-alcoholic beer.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to bowling tonight.
Maggie has to do her hair.
Right now, Maggie and I are going to make for dinner homemade pesto with the rigatoni in the background. We're gonna make fried zucchini because Maggie is the frickin' master. I'm contemplating whether I want to put makeup on. I feel like I don't. Our reservation for bowling is 10 o'clock because that was the earliest time we could get, which is very surprising. I guess there's only one place to bowl in LA, so it's Bolero. That's where we're going. Yeah, and we're just gonna have some friends over tonight, and then we're gonna go bowling, make dinner, have fun, and I'll bring you along for the weekend. I know tomorrow we're going to a flea market and potentially going to jazz in the nighttime. We have another college friend coming to town as well. So welcome to this video. I wanted to share my weekend with you guys. So let's make some dinner. Before I start making the pesto, I wanted to try this non-alcoholic drink. It's by the brand Parch Agave Cocktail. It is the Prickly Paloma. I'm trying all sorts of non-alcoholic beverages this month, so let's try this one out. We got it at our local little grocery store called Good Riddance. That's gorgeous. Day for the flea market, plus a sumo orange because those are the latest obsession, and we are obsessed. So let's go to the flea market. Made it to the flea market, and we have the whole crew.
Whole crew. Luke's looking. We're all packed up. My bag is right there. Let's do a quick little haul from the flea market yesterday. I got this little necklace from the first vendor that I saw. The next thing I got was these cute little librarian glasses for $10, and I thought it would be a good like outfit accessory staple. And Mags got a white skirt.
I got a skirt.
So let's go to San Clemente. We're probably gonna just walk around, have lunch, and go to a few thrift stores. Find some buttons for Maggie's shirt.
My buttons. I should bring the shirt.
Yeah. I have a sewing kit right there.
I have a sewing kit.
So let's go to San Clemente.
Fighting demons on a level 1. Super soaker, that's a water gun. Like my feelings had to get it done. I don't care what you say. Who are you anyway? I don't care what you think.
Just got to Alex's parents' house in San Clemente. We stopped and had some lunch downtown, and then grabbed some coffee and some cookies as a little sweet treat after. We shopped around a little bit and went to an antique store because I know Maggie was looking for some buttons and they were having a sale at the antique store, and I knew that they had jars of buttons, so we stopped there as well. And now we're probably just gonna hang out at the house for a little bit
and read. Alex is watching the whatever game is on. And then I think we're gonna go to the beach later and watch the sunset and go to the store to cook a delicious dinner. So that's what's on deck. Started reading yet, but we just assorted a ton of buttons. And Maggie's gonna teach me how to sew, and I'm gonna use these little guys and put them on my pants.
Maybe that sausage pasta one, that was good.
It was such a blast hosting Maggie and showing her around, and we just took the last day to surf, hang out, and enjoy ourselves. So thanks for watching this video.